Good morning, everyone. My name is Elisa Villanueva, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forests. This can include clearing the land for agriculture or grazing, or using the timber for fuel, construction, or manufacturing. Did you know that the forests cover more than 30% of the Earth's land surface according to the World Wildlife Fund? Forests are a resource, but they are also large, undeveloped swaths of lands that can be converted for purposes such as agriculture or grazing. The reasons of deforestation. The World Bank estimates that about 3.9 million square miles of forests have been lost since the beginning of the 20th century. Often, deforestation occurs when forest areas is cut and cleared to make way for agriculture or grazing. Natural fires in tropical forests tend to be rare but intense. Human-lit fires are commonly used to clear land for agricultural use. Many forests are cleared to make way to palm oil plantations. Palm oil is the most commonly produced vegetable oil and is found in half of all supermarket products. Effects of deforestation. Deforestation in tropical regions affect the way water vapor is produced over the canopy, which causes reduced rainfall. Trees also absorb carbon dioxide, mitigating greenhouse gas emission produced by human activity. As climate change continues, trees play an important role in carbon sequestration or capture and storage of excess of carbon dioxide. Deforestation not only removes vegetation that is important for removing carbon dioxide from the air, but the act of cleaning the forest also produces greenhouse gas emissions. Deforestation solution. The desire to expand the amount of land used for agriculture is an attractive reason to deforest an area, but if people adopt sustainable farming practices or employ new farming technologies and crops, the need for more land might be diminished. Forests can also be restored through replanting trees in clear areas or simply allowing the forest ecosystem to regenerate over time. The goal of restoration is to return the forest to its original state before it was cleared. The sooner a cleared area is reforested, the quicker the ecosystem can start to repair itself afterward. Wildlife will return, water systems will reestablish, carbon will be sequestrated, and soils will be replenished. Everyone can do their part to curb deforestation. We can buy certified wood products, go paperless whenever possible, limit our consumption of products that use palm oil, and plant a tree when possible. For more information, you can learn more about forest conservation effort from the Yale School of Forestry and Environmental Studies. Read more about the problems caused by deforestation according to the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. You can also visit the website World Counts. In that website you can find how many years are missing for the forest to completely distinguish. You can also see how many trees are cut in a week, in a year, in a day, and in a century. Well, this is everything from my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye.